in there where they voice the capsule.
Okay.
So for anyone out there that wants to learn a bit more about microphones, the thing that is most important to the sound of a microphone is the capsule. In a condenser, more than anything else, is the capsule itself. That
Amen.
diaphragm capsule,
Yep.
the backplate design has all the sonic characteristics that you're going to get. And then the mic manufacturer, designer, engineer has to then voice that capsule. So if it's a bit too bright, they use capacitors and stuff to EQ it flatter.
Yeah.
But like if you have a crazy cheap capsule that goes like jiggity jaggedy all over the place, like some cheaper capsules do,
Yeah.
all they can do is turn that down and flatten it out,
Right,
but it's still going to be jaggedy.
All right.
So you can't get rid of those peaks.
We'll get into the nitty gritty of the
Yeah.
nerdy shit in a second.